Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. So, as you can probably guess from the title, I decided, well, I didn't really decide, but I ate vegetarian slash vegan for a week. And this isn't actually my first time trying this. Since I've been trying to get a little bit healthier, I've been trying to incorporate a lot more fresh fruits and veggies and um, beans and those kind of things into my diet, a lot less sugar. I'm trying, and it's actually been working, alhamdulillah. But one of the things to point out, and sorry if you hear background noise, is the people outside, the masjid outside, and my kids. But one of the things to point out is that Somali cuisine is really packed with, a lot of it uses meat. They use a lot of meat in Somali cuisine. Actually, one of the things that shocked me the most was that when you actually come here, goat is easier and cheaper to find and to get than chicken. Like chicken, fish is a little bit more expensive. So of course that limits your options with red meat, and I already love red meat a whole lot. I've had camel meat, I cook camel meat, goat meat, lamb, all of that. I love all of them. And if you look at a lot of Somali dishes, even when it comes to Somali rice, like bris, when it comes to sukar, all of it has some kind of meat inside of it. And Somalis, they don't like, you may find like a salad for fresh vegetables, and even like the marak, the Souk, is going to have cabbage and carrots and stuff in it. But just when it comes to like vegetarian vegan dishes, there aren't as many. Like I said, most of the dishes, even if it's like beans or something like that, will still have some amount of meat in it. But I decided to try it without any meat at all, and I tried to do at least a replacement with fish. So I want you guys to go ahead, take a look at this, and let me know what you think in the comments, inshallah. And what kind of dishes would you like to try? What are some of your favorite vegetarian dishes? Make sure you let me know. Assalamu alaikum.